Hello, my name is Dominic Bongard, and I'm a test engineer at OILES, Germany. For us, qualification means long-term stability and measurable performance. In our test facility, we specifically analyze the breakaway torque and sliding behavior of the OILES plastic axial sliding bearings, also known as PSB. The results are clear. Our PSBs consistently show stable friction values and maintain them under high loads and vibration. This ensures reliable stability and high efficiency. Thanks to specially formulated PS bearing materials which absorb energy at the thrust surface to control deformation, our axial sliding bearings reduce operating noise significantly more than conventional ball bearings. Even under persisting axial vibration, our bearings remain stable without any damage, in contrast to traditional ball bearings. Through configuration options such as low friction, super low friction, or tailored material additives, the bearing can be adapted precisely to different application requirements needed by our customers. PSB designs enable targeted savings. By contrast to the classic bearing, our standard PSB size reduces weight by around 20%, while the slim variant can reduce the weight by 70% and 50% in height. Without compromising the performance or load capacity, these reductions make the bearing efficient with the ability to withstand high axial loads. The lightweight compact design ensures a robust and future-ready solution for e-mobility, delivering weight and space savings, optimal functional behavior, and reduced costs. Lightweight, reliable, and ready for e-mobility. This is our answer for tomorrow's challenges. OILES Germany, bearing solutions on target.